Hello. Facebook. Yeah. Old toolbox. No idea how old it could be. Could just be in really bad condition. But pick this up. We have a plan for it, but we're going to restore it. We're going to do some randomness and we're going to restore it. Needs some attention. This not very nice orange colour paint needs to be removed. I need to fix the way of holding it closed. But inside, it's an old carpenter's style one. Someone's made out of plywood. It's got a plywood front and back. It's quite a solid construction. Smells old and musty. I have vacked it out and given it a spray with some cleaning stuff just to try and get that old shed smell off of it. Other than that, it's in very good condition. One little bit of broken plywood splitting where the moisture's got in, but over the years I can't say that's not too much of a problem. Yeah, drawers are a bit sticky. Oops, it's just a plywood nailed construction with thin plywood base, but I think these will clean up nicely, and I'm going to bring you along for the journey. Lovely little nail screw just sticking out of there rather than having the hasp or whatever it is on the top. It's just a nail sticking out. 10 whole British pounds. I'll be honest, I don't think I could get the wood for that to make it myself. So I went to Facebook Marketplace and bought it from some elderly gentleman clearing out his shed. So let's see if we can make it look new, shall we? Let's go. I think this might have been brown at one point, which would make sense. Would be a more traditional colour, would to have it like a brown colour, and then someone's just whacked some orange over the top. Because it's quite small and warm in here, I think I'm going to wait till it stopped raining and strip this properly. Probably use some paint stripper instead of multi-tooling it to death. Good idea. So this was a real pain in the bum. I have used paint stripper, I've tried heat gunning it, I've tried sanding it. It don't really want to come off, and because it's for me in the shed, we are going to rattle can it. That'll do. I can't imagine it'd be too bad. It's gonna sit there in the corner with some bits in it, which you'll see towards the end of this video if I finally get it finished. Do need to get some new handles and stuff. I've taken off all the corner protectors, and let's see what black rattle can looks like. Can't be any worse than it looks now. I've opened the door. just let this dry and see how it goes. So after some work, we have a very, very rustic looking black box. I've ordered some other bits to go on this, so I might look a little bit different on the next scene when I think it, but I'm quite liking the rusticness of it. Opens up, we've got black drawers, black inside. You'll notice that this has not been fully sprayed because my intention is to line this with something, either leather or felt or something. Big items will be in here, drawers in here, so all should become clear the next scene, which will be tomorrow when I put other stuff on, and then I can do another video of me fitting it out inside. Yes, let's see how I go in the next scene. My hands are covered in black from everything in this shed being covered in black dust. Not much fun, so I'm going to let it settle tonight and give it another clean in the morning, but up to now I'm quite happy with this. It's day 2 of the box project. Stuff's come from Amazon. We have some butterfly clasps to hold it closed, and I got silver corner protectors. Probably should have got black after getting black accessories, but I forgot that I'd ordered black ones of these and thing. Does it really matter? It's a shed. It's going to be my craft project box. Leather working. I don't know if I've said that in any other clips. Probably not. Leather working, metal etching, things like that. They're all going to be in here. It just helps me keep it a bit more organised. Still not done anything inside because I can't decide whether I want to line it with leather or felt. Probably going to do felt because it's cheaper, but with leather tool holders. I've bought some scrap leather, a kilo, 5 kilos of it. So it's quite a lot, 5 kilos of sofa leather to upcycle. I think putting some straps in here with some tools just in here, so when it's in position I can just open it up. I can work here in front of me. I'll have all my tools available and the drawers. That's the plan. Whether it actually works, that's debatable. Yeah, plans never fully come out, do they, properly? Especially if you're really bad at DIY and crafts. Let's get these on here. Bit of a montage. Maybe, if I can be bothered. Might just cut straight to it. We'll see. We shall see. Let's get it done. So it's done, kinda. We've got the latches. They turn one way and then turn the other way. Lift them up and it comes down. Pens and stuff are in there. Probably actually gonna live at this end using an old T-stack tub. I could put ferric chloride in there. That fits in there, keeps it out of the way. Mixing tubs, they go in there, and I've got my drawers, and then I'll have my leather working tools just here. I'm going to get this video out now because, quite frankly, once the wife realises how much I've spent this week, this £10 box, it's not quite £10 anymore. So I'm massively over budget. Yeah. Shh, we don't tell her. She don't watch these videos anyway. So there we go. If you want to see all the tools I used, you can maybe even look at my YouTube channel, which is Man vs Tools. Or my stationery one, Man vs Stationery. Like and subscribe, all that rubbish, all 15 of you. Yeah, tell me I'm a big idiot. If you've got this far into the video, you obviously like watching a fat bearded bloke messing around with tools and doing random shit. So, yeah, go on. See ya. Skedaddle. Get out my shed.